What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jewel. This Diamond. Princess over there in the corner. Y'all can't see her. But I'm about to try juicy crab.
I'm right here, y'all.
I'm about to try juicy crab.
I'm right here, y'all. You a diamond. I'm princess.
Okay, anyway, about to try juicy crabs, crab legs, potatoes, corn, eggs, shrimps, sausages. I'm about to try it. I got the juicy crab special.
Get down.
Extra hot.
Get down so I can go
extra hot because I love spicy food. Period.
Right.
But let me show y'all what I got. Yes. I'm about to try this potato. The sauce. Let me try some corn, y'all. It's good, but like I said, I like spicy food. I got this the extra hot.
Alright.
It's spicy.
Yeah. They so spicy, but I ate some tissues.
She ate some of her auntie Tisha. She didn't have hot.
I'll be good. Cause they got meat in my mama's hot.
Yeah.
See it? I'm gonna eat corn. I don't like that. The egg is hot. The egg hot. Huh? Give me some egg. Give me egg. It ain't that hot. Let me give me some egg. Too spicy.
Like one time.
Go. Go.
But they have. I mean, it's good. It ain't hot. My girl said it's hot, of course. But like I said, I can taste spicy food. This is really not hot at all.
To me, it's spicy. Hot.
This the crab leg. They gave me one crab leg. Now. They wrong for that one. They could have gave me two. But I got one.
You ate the whole thing up.
I got one.
They spicy.
But yeah, this I got extra hot. It's not really hot to me. If you like spicy food, you might need to get something way a little hotter because extra hot is still not that hot. Extra hot is still not that hot to me. And they gave me one crab leg. But they loaded it down with corn, potatoes, eggs, and shrimp though. So who can complain? And the shrimp. But yeah, it's getting there. I thought it wasn't too hot, but it's getting there. Y'all want some more? Y'all want some more? It's hot. Gosh. Let me tell y'all what my dog did. I got a Chihuahua. She done ran. I let her in the backyard to eat and do what she do. She done broke loose, chasing out the cat. Cat bigger than her. And ran down the street. I'm talking about all the way down. What I did was act like I was about to go, because she loved to ride in the car, in the truck. So I acted like I was about to go. So I turned the car on because she was down the street.
Yours. That's mine.
So I'm yelling at her, Cinnamon. That's her name. She's Chihuahua mixed with a Shih Tzu. We about to go. So, so I called the car up, open the door, and said, "Come on, let's go, let's go." Yeah, I promise. She understands like a human being. I promise you do. So I'm like, "Let's go. We're gonna go." She ran down there so fast and hopped in the car. I tricked her ass. So I put her in a cage. She had time out. Since she got me chasing after her.
My daddy, my brother. My daddy, my
I see them
brother.
all on the counter.
Let me see your mouth.
Can't go to the bathroom by yourself. I
I
go in the bathroom, close the door. They hitting it, the door with something. Mama,
Don't touch
mama.
it. Don't touch that. She can't
I got a
see the
pee-pee.
vlog.
I ain't been to all day. Ain't been had to go to the restroom. But now,
Yup.
soon I go in there, I gotta go to the bathroom. So I take a bath. Y'all do that, don't you?
Yeah, they always go in there.
Always. Why is that? Why?
Cause we want to go in there and see you.
Y'all hear that?
You be looking at us.
This is the answer for all the parents with kids. Why do kids go in the bathroom when their mama go to the bathroom? Why do kids follow their mother around?
They just kids. They scared of stuff.
So, cause they scared of stuff.
Yeah.
That's why they-
That's why they be following you. Cause they scared of stuff.
Y'all hear them? So when I go in, when I take a bath and all this stuff,
Wait.
why y'all be want to come in there while I'm in the tub?
We gonna turn our eyes,
I'm saying, but why y'all be want to come in?
but we just gonna turn our eyes like this.
So what? But why y'all want to come in though?
Cause you are mama.
Because I am your mom. That's why they like to go in the
Sit
bathroom.
down. Sit.
So it's
You
good
right
now.
here.
At first I guess I'm speaking too fast, but it is hot. And this is juicy crayon.
They call juicy crab. Oh, what's nasty? Yeah, she needs that.
I wish the shrimp
That's
was
so
already
good.
peeled.
Why?
How you feel about school bed clothes?
They always let us go to the park and it's so much fun.
No, not daycare. She's talking about daycare. How do you feel about school bed clothes?
I don't like school.
How do you feel about it being closed? This stuff is hot. At first I was like, this ain't even hot. You hear me? So some of the words you happy that the school is
Clothes. I'm happy. I like to go to daycare. I'm not going back to
She
school.
like daycare. Yeah. Oh, this is a good one. Look at that. Look at that.
It sure is hot. I'm not eating that stuff. I'm not eating that egg.
I can
'cause
do
it's-
this. I can do this.
Look at my missing teeth.
Her teeth fell out. You know, these her first tooth falling out, so
It's gonna grow back.
she been talking about it forever. Mom, I can't eat anymore. I'm like, Lady, you can.
I got you on. Cause how I'm gonna eat on this teeth? They already came out. This only was a little bit teeth. It was big like these teeth. Elena first two gonna fall out when she get my age.
And you gonna get full. Because I still got a lot of this bone. And I'm damn near full.
Cause you
And the hot,
already
I can deal with it. Because like I said, I like spicy food. And I got the potatoes, corn, shrimps,
Wait.
sausage, eggs. Ladies, when y'all got two girls, y'all gotta be careful what you do around them, what you say around them. Because to them,
Come on,
you like
more candy.
you play a big role in their life. Literally. They want to do everything you do. I put makeup on. Mom, you gotta put makeup on me. I go get my nails done. What about me? I put lashes on. I want some. No. A big role. So when y'all around them girls, Be careful what you say and do, because if you do it, they don't think it's cool. So be careful what you do. Yeah, I'm almost full. I'm telling you what, I ain't gonna eat half of it. You know what I messed up?
She always eats this.
No, I don't.
And I got challenged her. She eat this 24 hours.
Oh, she gonna challenge me to eat this for 24 hours. It's crab legs. I can do that.
You're gonna take 5 seconds and 6 seconds.
5 and 6 seconds to eat it all.
How you gonna do that? Start right now.
That ain't gonna happen, Cam.
I'm the guy. Start right now, or you gonna lose the game.
So, I'm supposed to be doing a mukbang about these crab legs. I don't know what they say. Don't be. Who did that?
Elena.
Don't do that.
Do it. I challenge you.
Not on 6 seconds, girl. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Do that then. Just do 5.
5 what?
5 eating it.
I did.
No, you did.
Let me
Eat
take
some
a
more.
Okay, I'm gonna do it for you.
You gotta eat a lot. Okay?
Okay.
I challenge you to eat a lot.
She challenged me to eat a lot.
Not 24 hours, just these seconds. 1, 2,
Just
3,
this second.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's it.
Stop doing it.
Now do it.
Okay.
You put your slot right here.
This was supposed
Right here.
to be
Right here. Right here.
about
Now
me
stay. Stop. Come over here.
and my crab
Come over
legs,
here.
and my shrimps, and my sausage, and my corn. But as you can see, like we had the conversation earlier,
You
every
better
time I
not
go
cry.
into the bathroom,
You better not
they go
cry.
into the bathroom. Every time I take a bath, they're right there. I'm just trying to do a mukbang.
Sure is.
Mukbang, whatever y'all call it. That's all I'm trying to do. Do y'all have something y'all want to say? The reason why y'all is right here.
I don't know.
Then why are you right here?
Because I want to be right there.
Elena, why are you right here?
Right here.
Right here? Okay. Like I just said, get your elbow up off me. Get your elbow off me. Thank you. But like I was just saying, prime example. Y'all can see that what happens. My girls follow me everywhere. And you know I'm not messed up about that. They're my mini-me's. That's my mini-me's. So of course they gonna go wherever I go. But I thought I was just gonna do a little mukbang, talk about shrimp, eggs, crab legs, mukbang. I just like to say that, mukbang. But it didn't go that way, because they had to come in. But y'all, it's worth it. It's worth every penny, dime, nickel, quarter, dollar, $5, 10. Y'all get the point where I'm going with this. It's worth it though, for real. And it will get you full. I was kind of scared about that. I was like, what if I pay this and then this is just me though. So thank y'all for watching my show with my mukbang with me and the girls. We're supposed to be just me by myself. Oh, and I did my hair today, yeah, something different. Really never had it. I like it though. I did it myself. Did my own makeup. I got more makeup tutorials. I know we're not talking about that. Thank y'all. Like, comment, hit that bell.
Let me do it.
And y'all will see more updates with me and the girls. Of course. Y'all got something y'all want to say?
Bye, video.
You got something you want to say?
Yeah.
What?
I'm saying, click that like button down there. Then subscribe to our channel. You can see next videos.
Again, y'all heard what she said. Click that like button down there. Hit that bell. Subscribe. And y'all will see plenty more videos with me and the girls. Period.
Bye, y'all.
Period.
Bye, y'all.